Hey guys, Vanessa B here, celebrating the 40th anniversary of Soul Train.
Soul Train, the hippest trip in America.
Soul Train was a response, was a mirror, if you will. Not like Michael Jackson's Man in the Mirror, but it was a mirror that reflected what was happening in soul music.
I started out as a soul train dancer. I was 14 years old, and at the time I always wanted to be a singer, but when my family moved to Los Angeles, it was my number one goal. To this day, whatever I'm doing, people will always say, "Girl, I've been following you since Soul Train."
Midnight sun shining through my darkest night.
One of my fondest memories is I refereed a basketball game between Don Cornelius and Marvin Gaye. See, Marvin Gaye was my brother, you know what I mean? So he and Don had this basketball challenge, and we did it right on the show. I refereed Don and Marvin playing basketball.
Who won?
Marvin won.
Fondest memories are the day artists like Stevie Wonder walked in the door, and Smokey Robinson, and James Brown, and Aretha Franklin, as we started to gain the approval of stars of that caliber. Those became my fondest moments.
For HipHollywood.com, I'm Vanessa B saying love,
Peace and